Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a static website with GitHub Pages easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create a static website with GitHub Pages, start by signing into your GitHub account. If you don't have an account yet, visit github.com and sign up for free. Next, create a new repository by clicking on the New button. Name your repository in the format username.github.io, replacing username with your GitHub username. Make sure to check the option that says Initialize this repository with a README. After creating the repository, navigate to the Settings tab of your new repository. Scroll down to the GitHub Pages section. Under Source, select the branch you want to use. Usually, Main or Master will be the default option. Click Save to activate GitHub Pages for your repository. Next, open your favorite code editor to create the website files. Start by creating an index.html file, as this will be the home page of your website. In this file, include standard HTML boilerplate code. You can use this basic structure, doctype HTML, HTML, head, title, body, /body/HTML. Inside the head section, in the body section, write some content, such as headings and paragraphs, to showcase your website's theme. Feel free to add images and links to enhance the content. Next, you might want to style your website with CSS. Create a separate file named styles.css and link it in your index.html file within the head section. In styles.css, you can add custom styles for elements like text, backgrounds, and layouts. Now, save the changes to both your index.html and styles.css files. Return to your GitHub repository and upload both files by clicking the Upload Files button. Once both files are uploaded, click on the Commit Changes button. Your website should now be live within a few minutes at username.github.io. To view your website, simply navigate to that URL. If you want to make updates, edit the files locally and re-upload them to GitHub. Refresh your website to see the changes take effect. Congratulations, you have created a simple static website using GitHub Pages. Explore additional features like custom domains and more advanced layouts as you become familiar with GitHub Pages. Enjoy building and sharing your new website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.